What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, CEO of wolvesacademy.com, the Wolf of Marketing. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 10 websites you must know for your affiliate marketing business. So these are basically tools that I'm actively using in my affiliate marketing business to crush it and to get results. Now let's dig right in. But before we do, if you guys want to know my #1 recommended affiliate offer and what I'm using to make 6 figures online, go ahead and click the first link in the description. And if you guys like making money online videos and affiliate marketing videos and you guys were looking for your mentor, hit that subscribers button, hit that notifications bell to basically get notified every time I drop heat on a day-to-day basis. Now let's step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now the first one out of the 10 websites that we're going to talk about is ClickFunnels. The last couple of days, I've basically been kind of like, for those who have been following me, you guys will probably learn maybe some of this stuff, but for those of you who haven't or whatever, not sure, just kind of going over the affiliate marketing basics, kind of get you guys back on point, back on track. So we talked about like finding an offer, so on and so forth. Now there's going to be some tools that you're going to need to actually be successful as an affiliate. One of these that come to mind is a sales funnel software. So basically clickfunnels.com. And instead of just going to these websites, I would highly recommend, if there's an affiliate link down below somewhere in the resources section, I should have some of these links here. I'd appreciate you using my affiliate links so that way I can get compensated for giving you this value. But basically clickfunnels.com is a sales funnel software, and it is simply there to help you automate your lead generation process. So for example, one of my affiliate funnels that I'm using right now is this application funnel. And it's basically just a 5-step funnel where I'm using a squeeze page, then there's a sales video, then there's an application, and then there's the opportunity to schedule a call, and then there is a your call is booked page. So there's different types of funnels you could build for affiliate marketing. As far as what type of funnels, I might make that as like another video. Comment down below if you'd like me to create that type of video, what type of sales funnels or approaches you can use for affiliate marketing. But what it comes down to is you're going to need a sales funnel software. There's a whole bunch out there, but I'm a die-hard funnel hacker, and the reason why is because I made my first 6 figures leveraging the software online. So you're going to need that. Next thing that you're going to need is an email autoresponder. Now guys, there's ones like GetResponse, there's MailChimp, there's Aweber, Trash, I left them, there's SendLane. I currently, as I'm shooting this video, I'm currently using ActiveCampaign. You guys can go to activecampaign.com, or as stated before, down below in the resources section, you guys can use my links. It says something along the lines of emails, but basically what ActiveCampaign is, the reason why I like ActiveCampaign, just to show you guys what ActiveCampaign looks like. Here's the overview. I currently stored almost 20,000 leads. But let's take a look at what ActiveCampaign is. So it's an email autoresponder, right? So it allows you to automate your follow-up process. So if I go to ActiveCampaign and I go to automations, basically I can literally automate my follow-up process. So as soon as somebody opts in to my squeeze page or my opt-in page and becomes a lead, I can literally, over a series of days or a period of time, I can go ahead and actually make sure I hit these people with email marketing follow-up. So if they did not take action on what I was looking them to take action on in the past, whether it was booking a call, whether it was making a purchase, whether it was registering for a webinar or whatever that looks like, that's what the follow-up process is for. And then I have multiple, if you guys notice, I have multiple automations. This current automation that I just recently did currently has 79 people, right? My application funnel email series, which is new, and that's kind of what it comes down to. I just threw up the series, and now I literally have 79 people who are getting emailed over the course of the next 7 days. Another thing is it allows you to store contacts. So if you notice, it's allowing me to store almost 20,000 contacts. It's called a CRM, customer relationship management. So I can actually look at these contacts, look at the details, so on and so forth, see who I actually have, but more importantly, actually store these contacts. So that way, if I want to use them for the future, let's just say like a remarketing campaign or creating lookalike audiences with Facebook ads or whatever that looks like, I can do that by building this asset, which is this email list. And email broadcasting. So with ActiveCampaign, email broadcastings would be campaigns. And email broadcast basically means with the click of a button, I can go ahead and send an email broadcast of product offers, affiliate offers, value, whatever it looks like. With the click of a button, I can reach 20,000 people. Now, are 20,000 people gonna open it? Absolutely not, but you guys get the point. And not only that, I like that you can go ahead and create forms, right? So I can go ahead and create forms with ActiveCampaign. So just to show you guys an example, a form that I created, if it actually pulls up. So guys, one of the things that like is really pivotal for my business right now with how many things I'm doing is ActiveCampaign. Basically, this application funnel, I have a part where you can go and actually apply, and if you guys look, I actually built the application I built the form rather in ActiveCampaign, and I displayed the form on my ClickFunnels page, right? So that's pretty cool. So you can build out forms for people to actually become like leads, or applications where you can go ahead and call them, so on and so forth, blah, blah, blah. Another one is website number three is clickmagic.com. Now, I've actually had trouble with them in the past, but they actually were very professional. They actually got me on board back as a customer, and they looked out for me. So I do actually like ActiveCampaign, and I'm more than happy to go ahead and actually promote their products. So if you guys look here, I have all these different links here. Basically, what ClickMagic is, and again, you guys can find all these in the resources section down below. But basically, it allows you to track. It's a tracking software, so it allows you to track conversions. So I can go ahead and track specific actions on my actual funnel. So I can go ahead and track clicks. I can track opt-in rate. I can do A and B testing. So I can literally kind of see what is working with my funnel, what is not working with my funnel, what actions people are taking when I send an email broadcast out using one of these links, so on and so forth. So it's going to go ahead and allow you to keep it simple. It's going to go ahead and allow you to look at your data and your analytics. So a lot of these softwares, yes, ClickFunnels has internal data and analytics that you're going to be able to look at, but if you want to do like a deep dive on your data and analytics, you want to use a tracking software. And one that's very beginner friendly would be like ClickMagic. If you're sending real deal traffic, you would use something like Volume. But again, since most of these people on this channel are beginners, I would highly recommend using something like ClickMagic. Next is Schedule Once. So Schedule Once is basically something that I'm using right here to actually book my calls. So just to show you guys my page, this is built out with ClickFunnels, but this page is a JavaScript code that I put on my actual one of the pages and the steps of my funnel, and it allows people to schedule calls with me. So with me and my consultants, if you guys were doing something yourself, you guys can do it. But basically, this is for if you're doing like high ticket affiliate marketing, or even network marketing. If you guys wanted to build out like an application funnel, you send people through that funnel and people actually book. This is going to go ahead and allow you to schedule calls. It's going to follow up with these people, make sure that they actually do show up on time, and it's going to go ahead and give you the information that you need necessary to actually follow up with these people. So there's other apps out there like Calendly, but the thing I like about this one, there's just way more you can do, like putting you can put one calendar, and then I can go ahead and actually, if you guys ever get to the point to where you're doing like strategy sessions with your affiliate marketing business and you need to bring on board closers, you can actually create what is called like a rotator, to where one call gets to this guy, one call gets to this girl, one call gets to this guy, so on and so forth, and it kind of rotates. That's one thing that I like. And then I also like that if I go ahead and book a call here, I'm not going to, but if I book a call, it will allow you to redirect to your own personal page instead of their own internal page. So I like that as well. And it allows you to embed it on a custom page instead of just sending it, which increases your conversions. So guys, Schedule Once, majority of the people who are watching this video probably aren't going to use it, but if you are doing any type of high ticket closing, you'll probably want to use that. Now, because I talk about that, the next one that I'm actually going to go to talk about, I'm going to skip number 5 and get back to that. But Dialpad, right? So this is for people who are doing high ticket affiliate marketing and people who are closing their own deals. If you guys need to make phone calls, right? Dialpad allows you to make calls, receive calls, and track analytics. So not only can I track my own analytics, but I have a sales team, right? To where I recently just started using this app. But if you look here, I have 16 calls, and there's like data and analytics that I could look into. So I can look to see when the calls were made, who the calls were made by, so on and so forth. So guys, one key thing that you're gonna notice is when it comes to being a successful marketer or even a affiliate marketer, you need to be like make data driven decisions. So data and analytics are extremely important. So another one is udemy.com. So udemy.com, just to show you guys, udemy.com. One thing I like about udemy.com, if you notice here, $902, they have an affiliate program, right? Number one. So I've made over a couple $1,000s with them as an affiliate. But aside from that, this is basically a form of traffic, right? So udemy.com, you guys can literally go to this website, and this is more so for the make money online niche. You guys can find different solo ad providers. And what is a solo ad? You're probably asking. A solo ad is when somebody has a huge email list. So for example, my email list size is 20,000. Imagine somebody who has like 200,000 email subscribers. They're gonna send an email broadcast out to their list, and they're gonna go ahead and put your affiliate link or your link to your funnel and send traffic to your funnel with their list. So there's a whole bunch of benefits. Not gonna go into great detail of the benefits of solo ads. If you guys want me to do that, I can go ahead and cover that on a later video. You guys just have to request it. If you don't request it, I won't create the content. So go ahead and request down below. Comment down below any questions that you guys want me to go ahead and cover in the future in regards to affiliate marketing or any type of content that you think yourself as other people can benefit from. So udemy.com, not going to go into great detail, but basically you can buy traffic. It's an easy way to buy traffic in the make money online niche. So another one is canva.com. So canva.com is going to go ahead and allow you to create social media posts and YouTube thumbnails. People always ask me, how do I create my YouTube thumbnails? Now, I usually outsource that, but recently, the last 2 days, I've actually made them myself. So if you look here, $300 a day, that was a pretty simple thumbnail that I created with Canva. But this was a little bit more complex one that I created with Canva. So if I go and actually click this one right here, and just to show you guys, the last two thumbnails I just showed you, here's the $300 a day one. That's my thumbnail on, on YouTube. And then make $10,000 per month. That's a thumbnail on YouTube. So I literally created these thumbnails using Canva. But if I go to Canva here, you notice here it says make, I can literally type in earn. So I can say earn $10,000 per month, or per, depending on what the hell the video was about, per day, so on and so forth. You guys get the point. But basically, it's very easy. I put a backdrop, I put these two lines here, I put this here, and then I put my face. Boom. We have a Canva thumbnail. And you can also use, like, if you guys wanted to create like a quotes page or something, if you guys doing content marketing with Pinterest or like Instagram, Canva's a really good tool for you guys, for beginners who aren't really good at like Photoshop and you guys still want to go and create content, create thumbnails, so on and so forth. Another one is clickbank.com. So clickbank.com is a beginner-friendly affiliate network. So what is an affiliate network? Affiliate network is basically where you can go ahead and find and shop for affiliate products. So basically, these products are going to be more competitive, meaning there's going to be more people promoting these products because almost everybody and their mother can promote these products. So that's the good thing is that it's easy to get accepted for these if they allow you to create a ClickBank account. The only downfall is that you're going to be competing with a lot of people. Now, another affiliate offer or affiliate network, right? Number two is jvzoo.com. So this is kind of like an advanced affiliate network, and the reason why I say it's advanced is because this affiliate network, for the most part, most of the offers that you try to promote, you're going to have to get accepted. And the good news is when it comes to getting accepted for an offer, that means less people are promoting the product, and they're going to go ahead and have data that they can show you of how well the product is actually converting, and you're going to be more likely to actually earn money with these type of products. But usually, if you're a brand new beginner affiliate, probably not going to go ahead and allow you to become an affiliate. And then last but not least is maxbounty.com, which is an advanced CPA network. So same thing with ClickBank or JVZoo. You're going to go ahead and they're going to, you have to get accepted to most of these offers. You can't just promote any of them. And this is CPA. So instead of getting paid for like generating a sale, you're getting paid for specific actions like leads, applications, so on and so forth. So instead of trying to generate a $100 sale with like a $30 ad spend, you may be trying to generate a lead where they'll pay out $8 per lead, and you might be trying to generate a lead for like $4. So the cool thing about CPA is it's less, like you can have a lower ad spend and still get results, but you're gonna need to get accepted to these offers. So there are more things that I use, guys, like Photoshop and a couple other things, but for the most part, like these, I like to call this, maybe you may call it, besides like the JVZoo and all that stuff, but all these softwares and stuff that I'm paying for, this is basically like your business overhead. So if you have an office, this would be your virtual office. You can literally carry this office with you at a Starbucks, at a different country, an Airbnb. It doesn't matter where you're at. That's the cool thing I love about this. All I need is my laptop, these softwares, and I have my office, right? So I don't have to have a physical location. I don't have to have files. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And again, if you guys want to know what my #1 recommended affiliate offer is, you guys can go ahead and click the first link in the description. If you guys want to know if there's any other content you guys want me to create in the future, go ahead and comment down below what you'd like me to create, and I will read those comments. And last but not least, if you guys haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, join the fam, and follow me on Instagram at Eric Ellis Jr. if you guys want to be up to date with my personal day-to-day life. So click the first link down below, take action, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. As always, your boy Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.